As mentioned in our previous videos, the Creative Pixel family are building blocks for installation projects. These building blocks vary in size, style, and pixel pitch. For more information, review our previous videos where we introduce you to the Creative Pixel line of products. The Creative Pixel line of products should be driven by a P3 controller for large applications, where a DMX controller would not have the capabilities to control a large application. When the Creative Pixel products are controlled by the P3 system controller, it is very easy to address them and map video content onto them. Also, other Martin LED video products can be driven from the same P3 system controller with no need for a dedicated controller for every LED video product on the show. The Creative Pixel products are designed to display P3 video controlled lighting effects. It automatically recognizes and responds to the P3 data signal. The P3 link requires Ethernet Cat5e or better network cable. The cable run between any two devices on a link can be up to 100 meters or 328 feet in length. If necessary, a cable run can be extended beyond 100 meters by inserting an unmanaged Ethernet switch or using a fiber optic system. You will want to connect the VC grids and the VC strips together in daisy chains using a hybrid PCB to PCB cable. Connect each cable from the through connector on one VC grid or VC strip to the in connector on the next VC grid or VC strip. With the VC dots, you will need to connect a VC feeder to a VC dot. The VC feeder is a smart, multi-protocol driver box for the VC dot series. A compact design and an IP65 rating make it perfectly suited for the installation close to a string of VC dots. The VC feeder provides the string with clean, regulated power even if the power supply is located far away. Make a special note: do not exceed the maximum permitted number of modules per chain. Do not allow the total length of the cables used in a linked chain to be exceeded. And do not exceed the PSU's maximum power rating. Each time you reach the maximum ratings, as mentioned, you must create a new chain of modules that is connected to a new power port. Reference the particular user manuals for the Creative Pixel products for this information. Note, as we have mentioned many times before, these products cannot be hot plugged, so make sure the power is turned off before connecting or disconnecting these products. Next, connect each chain of the VC grids or the VC strip to one of the 4-pin female XLR hybrid connectors on a P3 power port, which does contain 48-volt DC power and P3 data output, using a hybrid 4-pin male XLR to PCB adapter cable. If necessary, extend the cable by connecting a 4-pin XLR hybrid extension cable to the hybrid to PCB adapter cable so that you can run the hybrid link to the P3 power port. Suitable extension cables are available in various lengths. For the VC dot, you will need to connect the adapter cable directly to the first VC feeder in the installation. Then connect the 4-pin XLR to IP65 adapter cable to one of the combined power and data outputs of the P3 power port. If necessary, you can connect to a hybrid IP65 to IP65 extension cable and then to the first VC feeder. Hybrid IP65 to IP65 extension cables are available in various lengths. Next, you will need to create a P3 video data link from a P3 system controller to the P3 power port. If required, continue the P3 video data link in a daisy chain by connecting the P3 data throughput of one of the P3 power ports to the P3 data input of the next power port. You can connect up to 50 P3 power ports in a P3 data daisy chain utilizing this method. However, using an unmanaged switch instead of daisy chain is recommended to avoid one failing power port to take out the data link. If you need to connect more than 50, you will need to use an unmanaged switch anyway to split the P3 data link into branches, each containing less than 50 P3 power ports. Next, you will need to install a mains power cable on the P3 power port and connect it to AC mains power. You will apply AC mains power to the P3 controller, and now you can configure the system. And that is it. That is just how simple it is to incorporate the Architectural Creative Pixel line of products into a large application using a P3 controller. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.